Alright, hello everybody. This is my portfolio printout. I did upload another copy of this portfolio on Google Drive. As you can see, like, I wanted to keep the images the same. Well, not the images, I want to say the font and like I guess the style the same as my logo. It's just a normal calligraphic black and white theme, I guess. Nothing too simple. I mean, well, nothing too complex, I guess. And it's more on the simple side, I should add. All of my work you see here, with the exception of this one, was they were all basically just assignments I did for my vector graphics class, along with my very first one that I made. And this one too, I made this one for this current class that I'm taking right now. Yeah, I already mentioned that I did that one for fun. This was also one of my recent ones, and I mean, they're not really like designs, with maybe the exception of this pattern right here. But they're mainly like character designs and logo ideas and just like practices on using the tools on Illustrator. I did the artboards in Illustrator actually, and I went ahead and laid them out here on InDesign. Honestly, InDesign, I had a little bit of trouble with it. I'm still trying to find my way around this application, but I mean, so far I guess I kind of got around it. But yeah, like, tell me what you all think, and if there's anything you would like to add, just tell me. Alright, thank you.